Hi, it's Sandra, and today I'm going to show you another collection from Madam Glam. And this is their neon collection. And I'm going to show you the colors. This one is called Healing Pink. And I got these from Madam Glam. They were complimentary, so I did not pay anything for them. Aqua Shine, it's a blue. Purple Buzz, which is a purple. And then this neon pink, which is called Barbieland. And the last one is Zesty, which is like a yellow. So I am going to do these on some nails so you can see what they look like. They are absolutely gorgeous. Looks like I'm missing actually a nail. Just a second. Okay, so if you've never bought Madam Glam gels, they are beautiful. They go on very easy, they level very easy, and it usually only takes them a couple coats to get the true color. I think the colors are so pigmented. They are so opaque. They're just beautiful polishes. So let's see what these look like. And I just put a base coat, the Madam Glam base coat on there. So now I'm going to put the first coat of this color on here. And I will put a link to this collection below once I'm done. Okay. So that is the Aqua Shine. Next we're going to do Healing Pink, which is actually kind of an orangey pink. And it looks like these have some glitter in them, which can never go wrong with glitter, in my opinion. Very pretty. Then we're going to do Zesty. And we'll do this purple called Purple Buzz. And then the last one is Barbieland. So you can see the difference between these two pinks. One's kind of an orangey pink and the other one is a really just regular neon pink. And this one kind of has sparkles in it. So let's put this under the light. Okay, and Madam Glam suggests that you put them under the light for 30 seconds, and that seems to work, at least for me. So Madam Glam does have, what is it, no white top coat, and they have the regular white top coat, depending on what you prefer. And they have a base coat, obviously. So the manufacturer always suggests that you use their product, their base coat and top coat with their polishes. I have, used different base and top coats with other polishes, and they seem to work fine. But they say for like maximum, like not coverage, but length of time, that you have them on your nails and that, to use the same polish, manufacturer polish. Okay, so that was the blue. I'm gonna do this orangey one. Do the yellow one. And the purple one. So this is coat 2, and you can see that the coverage is really good. And last but not least, the last pink. And I saw a young girl at a store over the weekend, and she had all these neon colors, and she had each finger a different color. And I thought that looked really pretty. Now, I've never done that before, but I thought it was really pretty. All right, so there's the colors. Let me stick those under the light. And you can see how tinted the colors are. I mean, you can really tell what color they are. And that's why I really like Madam Glam. The other thing is Madam Glam has tons and tons of different colors. I've never seen so many colors. The only thing I have to complain about is I have a hard time knowing what the color is. Even though there's a swatch there, it's still hard to tell the color. So again, I think these videos are great because at least I think you can see the colors better in these videos when they're, you know, painted on the nail and when they're with a camera like this. So this is the top coat, and this is just Madam Glam Soak Off Top Coat, and I'm just going to put this on all of them. Give them their brilliant shine here. Stick them for the last time under the lamp. And neon is so great for summer. I don't know why, but I think of neon for summer colors. So if you are into neon, and you know, like I said, I love these colors. And if you've never even tried Madam Glam, I suggest you try it with the neons because those are really pretty. And I suggest you try their product. They're really pretty. They have tons of colors, like I said, and they're easy to use. No problems with Madam Glam, and they're just a beautiful product. So there you go. Let me move these out of the way. And look how pretty those are. I think those are so gorgeous. And you can see the little flakes. Let's see if you can see it really good. And this one right here, I don't know if you can see them really well under the camera, but it's got little teeny flakes in it, like gold flakes. It's really pretty. In fact, that's probably my favorite, although I am a pink gal, but I do think this one is really gorgeous. So there you go. And don't forget that I believe I have a discount code, and that will be in the comments. And don't be afraid to use my discount code, and it'll be in the comments. So I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching. And thanks again to Madam Glam for the gorgeous polish. Bye.